I'm visiting with AMVAC. Tell me your name, what you do for the company.
Jim Lappin, the Director of the SIMPAS Product Portfolio and Alliances.
Well, tell me a little bit about this SIMPAS system that you have, because it's fascinating and you've really been developing it quite a bit.
So the SIMPAS system is going to change the way growers think about applying at-plant chemistry. So today a lot of growers use variable rate fertilizer, they use variable rate seeding to align their inputs to the specific needs of a management zone, whether it's fertility or seed. So SIMPAS is going to bring that same type of versatility, that same type of flexibility into the crop inputs sector. So SIMPAS is going to be able to prescriptively apply 3 products per row, whether they're granular or liquid products, and prescriptively apply them at planting. Today's planters travel 6, 8, 10 miles an hour, so the system will function a little bit like an inkjet printer, where it will turn on and off, applying those products in the specific management zones that have been designated to solve specific problems. So examples of that would be, you have a 100-acre field and perhaps there's only a 30-acre area in that field that has a nematode problem. Other areas of the field are calling for different rates of zinc. You may have some low-lying areas that need a supplemental fungicide to protect against soil disease. So the SIMPAS system will take that information. The grower will sit down with his trusted advisor, agronomist. They'll write a prescription. They'll select the products that they want to use to address those problems. We're going to make a broad portfolio of products available through smart cartridges for the SIMPAS system. And then they'll be able to go execute that with that prescription and, again, apply exactly what they want, precisely where they need it, based on the problem they're trying to solve.
So as we go into the new season coming up, 2020, how many different products can they choose from to use in the system, and what's the outlook even further in the future?
So in the 2020 year, we're taking a culmination of several years of testing. We're putting systems in the hands of growers at planting in the spring of 2020. So we'll have systems in the Eastern Corn Belt, Western Corn Belt, the Midwest, and the South to make sure that those test systems and those prototype systems are still functioning and executing the way we expect them to, but in a grower's real-world environment. So for 2021, we will have a broader list of products available. In 2020, we'll be using 3 products to demonstrate the system, but in 2021, we'll start introducing a broad range of products: insecticides, nematicides, fungicides, micronutrients. We're looking at some biological products. So we would envision over the next few years, we'll have 20, maybe 30 different types of products available in a whole host of categories to help a grower solve specific needs. Our intent is to make it an open platform system, meaning that we're encouraging other manufacturers to develop products that would be sold through the SIMPAS system and the smart cartridges as well. So we're in discussion with several other manufacturers. I think given the opportunity, growers want to refine their ability to solve problems, and having that flexibility to choose from a broad range of products to, again, address specific needs by management zone goes a long way toward improving his efficiency. Growers have demonstrated they're willing to invest in technology if they can get a return on investment and improve their overall efficiency.
So right now, does a grower who's interested need to do to find out more, or see if he might be able to be one of the next folks to have one in the field?
So a grower can go to simpas.com just to learn more about the system and the products that are being developed. He can go to amvac.com to get general information about AMVAC and its products. He can talk to his retailer. AMVAC works with a group of retailers and distributors in the countryside, many of which that the growers are already dealing with. So go to their trusted advisor, their retailer, say, hey, I'm involved in precision agriculture, I'm interested in what SIMPAS may be able to do for my operation, and raise their hand more or less. But we'll be looking to talk to those growers this summer, and our goal is to start commercially selling those systems in summer of 2020.
All right, well, thank you very much, Jim, for visiting us with us here. We're at the National Association of Farm Broadcasters Convention.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.